To reserve gym time, you're going to need to download the Mindbody app. There is actually 2 Mindbody apps, a business one and one for members. Choose the one for members. You will need to enter your email address that we have on file. If your email address has changed, email us your updated email address at getfit@lakeandfitnessandtan.com. Now you will need to check your email to verify your email address. If you don't see it, go to your junk mail to see if it is there. Open the app and search Lake and Fitness and Tan in the search engine at the top. Put Lake in Illinois at the bottom and hit search. Once you find Lake and Fitness and Tan, click on the heart to the right so that you don't have to search us next time. At the top, go from classes to appointments. Click on gym time, then the section of the gym you wish to work out in. Click on any staff. Now click the day and the time you wish to work out. Now you can book it and add it to your calendar. The very first time you do this, you'll be asked to pay, but it'll be $0, so rest assured you will not be charged. In the event that you need to cancel your appointment, we ask that you give 24 hours or more notice. To do this, go to Profile, click on your schedule, and click on Cancel.